Hello everyone, my name is Mayank Jain and in this video we're gonna discuss trapezoidal formula in R programming language. Trapezoidal rule is used to find exact value of definite integral using a numerical method. It is also used to find area under curve. So for this the formula is integral a to b of fx dx is nearly equals to delta x, which is the difference between the 2 point or the 2x, that is x0 or x1 or any other x. We can also take it as h bracket में y naught upon 2 plus y1 plus y2 plus dash 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 yn by 2. That is here y naught plus comma y1 comma yn is the function of fx or and the value of x0 comma x1 comma x3 and dash 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 to xn. So here is a small program which implements trapezoidal rule on R programming language. Here we have taken a function which defines the function fx. Here it is like 1 upon 1 plus x square. Then we have taken input a comma b, which is the limit to the integral, n is the number of division that we want to take, and h is the difference, that is b minus a upon n. Then we have taken a sum variable which stores the first and the last, the sum of the first and last divided by 2. Then we have used a for loop which gonna save the rest of the sum of the rest of the functions. Then we have simply printed this values. So on running this program, we have given the value of a is like 0 to I think 1, and taken the value of n is equals to 6. Therefore the value of the integral is 0.7420, that is the area under curve is like 0.78424. Thank you.